Welcome to Learn English with Lizzy. My name is Elizabeth Peter, and my goal is to help you improve your English fluency through educational English videos. Today, we are going to learn about some English words beginning with letter S. Seldom. This means rarely, not often. Example: we seldom go to the theater. This means we hardly go to the theater. Stingy. This means stingy, not likely to spend money. Example: James is such a stingy fellow. Seed money. This means money that you can use to start a new business, a new project, etc. Example: she was offered $2,000 as seed money for her new business. Seed. This means to be very angry about something, but try not to show other people how angry you are. Example: he walked out of the room seething with frustration. See-through. This means of cloth, very thin so that you can see through it. A transparent cloth. Example: she likes wearing see-through dresses. Septic. This means of wounds or parts of the body to be infected with harmful bacteria. Example: she is still treating her septic leg. Sequestrate. This means to take control of somebody's property or assets until they have paid a debt, usually as a result of a court order. Example: his car was sequestrated by the court. Shack. This means a small building, usually made of wood or metal, that has not been built well. Example: she lives in a shack in the village. If you enjoyed the video this far, kindly click on the subscribe button and like the video. Scrubby. This means of a place covered with small bushes and trees. Example: a scrubby mountain, a scrubby house in the woods. Scruffy. This means very dirty or untidy. Example: get these scruffy shirts to the laundry. A scruffy little house. Scrumptious. This means of food tasting very good, delicious. Example: I enjoyed the scrumptious meal at the party. Sedulous. This means being very diligent and careful in your work. Example: she is a sedulous bank manager. Simultaneous. This means happening or done at the same time as something else. Happening or being done at the same time. Example: they simultaneously offered to help the old woman. Skimpy. This means of clothes very small and not covering much of your body. Example: she wore a skimpy dress to the party. Sky cap. A sky cap is a person whose job is to carry people's bag at an airport. Example: He's getting married to a sky cap. Slink. This means to move somewhere very quietly and slowly, especially because you are ashamed or you do not want to be seen. Example, he slunk into the house through the back door. Solicitous. This means showing care, being concerned about somebody's well-being. Example, she is such a solicitous mother. Somnolence. This means almost asleep, sleepy. Example, she took the somnolent child into the living room. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and like the video.